Hi everyone, I'm Adrian. So today I'll share on the latest AutoCount function, which is for the rental service tax 6% with 2% being exempted. Okay, so before we start, we will need to enable our tax code for this. So we can refer above tax code maintenance. So inside, we can select this configure Malaysia SST under output tax. So here we can find for our tax code, which is SVR-6. So this one is our service tax code. Then once we found it, we can tick it here at the left side. So once we have ticked it and save, we can select it during our issuance of invoice. Okay. So inside here under tax code, we can find this SVR-6. Okay. So once we have approved this invoice, okay, it will submit for e-invoice, and also once we print out our invoice, it will show out the accepted amount. Okay, so in our invoice, you can see service tax at 6% on 1,000 ringgit, which is 60 ringgit, and exempted service tax, which is the 2%, which is 20 ringgit. Okay, so this one is our copy for our invoice. So once we have received payment, we can include it into our form 2. Okay, so under our tax SST Processor, okay, once we generate our return form, it will show up under its SST-02 service tax form. Okay. So inside here, we can see okay, our rental tariff code. Then under category 10, we have the 1,000 ringgit, and also in 11C, you can see which is our taxable 6%. Okay. So for our invoice, which if we have our own custom invoice, so we can customize it to show out the accepted amount. So under here, report, design document style. Okay, then we can design our report. Click design. Okay, so we need to find this under invoice master. We need to find invoice tax summary relation. Okay, so here we have this exempted rental service tax. So we just need to drag out okay, to the place that we want, or we can drag into the column that we want. Okay, so after that, we can click save or save as. So now once we have done this, it will show out in our report, which is our invoice. Okay, so that is the latest function for rental service tax 6% with 2% exempted. Okay, thanks everyone.